right. So remember this lesson that we were working on in an earlier lesson? Okay, sorry. I'm going to restart. That was bad. Okay. Hey everyone, Jake the Juggler again. Do you remember this trick that we were working on, where you toss one up and cross one over? Well, I'm going to show you what that trick can lead to with a lot of practice. If you get 3 balls and you practice doing that, and then add the other one in, you can do it in a circle. And this is actually a pretty difficult 3-ball trick. I'm very good at it only because I kept practicing doing this. So if you keep doing that and then you start to do it faster, and then eventually you can just grab the 3rd one and go really fast. And how you start this pattern is you take 2 in your good hand, the hand that throws up, and you just go 1, 2. And it's exactly the same as just with 2 balls, just a little bit faster, so keep on practicing.